Alright guys, we're down here at the Freedom Factory. Nothing's going on, but we're going to leave a few black marks on Cletus' driveway with the drag 22. All right, a little birdie told us that Cletus might be doing a test hit today, or a race, I'm not sure what, but he's here. That's his Porsche and Corvette over there. And it looks like one of the Teslas. We'll hang around a minute and see what happens. All right, we were about to leave. We actually left and passed Cletus and Leroy coming in, so we had to turn around. Might be making a pass. They're putting fuel in it, so we'll see what happens.
Luckily, no. Oh, baby.
What? Yeah. With a 160 flat 60. With a 9-second bar.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Oh. Try again or what do you want?
Alright, he's gonna make a hot lap. He just made a pass. 10 seconds, he thinks he can do 9, so let's see what happens. track crew told us to go over there and just introduce ourselves, but we're not going to be fanboys. We're going to interrupt whatever they're doing over there. Pretty cool. We just wandered up. They just happened to be testing today. I'm not sure if they're going to run again. I'm sure they are, but they're doing something with the drain on the track. Tesla's going for a world record, and other cars, I'm not sure what they're doing. I ain't one more. I ain't done yet. I didn't know they were going to run these cars. All right, I'm done. We gotta go eat lunch. That was cool. Very cool. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Wasn't expecting all that. Did miss an opportunity, I think. My buddies are like, dude, you need to get Cletus to drive your car. But I didn't want to be fanboy. The track workers told me to go talk to them, but I didn't really want to bother them. They were actually filming, and didn't want to be that guy. But anyways, hope you enjoyed that. That's a pretty cool little video. Wasn't expecting to do all that. We were just going to go out there and get a picture in front of the sign since we didn't have much to do today. But anyways, appreciate it. Appreciate all the new subscribers and folks that are watching. So if you hadn't already subscribed, hit that button, and hopefully we'll get to do more cool stuff like this. Thanks.